Today we are discussing a new topic, exothermic and endothermic reactions. Exothermic and endothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? In exothermic reaction, heat energy is given out. But in endothermic reaction, heat energy is taken. For example, melting of ice is an endothermic reaction, but freezing of water is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic and endothermic are reverse of each other. Children, you know this sherbet. It is a popular sweet. It contains citric acid and sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is an example of endothermic reaction. How? When you eat them, these substances dissolve in the water. What are the substances? The citric acid and the sodium hydrogen carbonate dissolve in the water in your saliva and react together. This gives a cool fizzy feeling in your mouth, which is refreshing. What is the equation? When citric acid combined with the sodium bicarbonate, we got sodium citrate plus water plus carbon dioxide. See the equation. These are also the example of endothermic reaction. These are the examples of exothermic reactions. Here the heat energy is given out. In this slide we can understand the exothermic and endothermic clearly. In an exothermic reaction, the energy is released into the surroundings as heat. As a result, the temperature of the surroundings increases. In endothermic reaction, the energy is absorbed from the surroundings. As a result, the temperature of the surroundings drops. Understood?
Your reaction shows that you are happy to learn about reactions. Let's learn more about reactions. Do you know about endothermic and exothermic reactions? First, remember the meaning of exo and endo. Exo means release and endo means absorb. And do you know about thermic? It means heat. So endothermic reactions are those which absorb heat and heat is released in exothermic reactions. Okay, can you give me an example of an exothermic reaction? Oh yes, you are right. Burning of matchstick gives out heat. It is an exothermic reaction. Now, can you give an example of an endothermic reaction? Wow, you are right again. Evaporation is happening as heat is being absorbed by water and molecules are getting away from each other. Look at this picture. This picture is a photosynthesis process in plants. Can you tell which reaction this is? You have understood it well. Photosynthesis is an endothermic process as plants take heat energy from sun and convert them into glucose with the help of water and carbon dioxide. Exo and endo. Exo means release and endo means absorb. And do you know about thermic? It means heat. So endothermic reactions are those which absorb heat and heat is released in exothermic reactions.
These are some examples of exothermic and endothermic reactions. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.